Hi guys, how are you doing today? I'm Ankush from Desi Otaku, and today we are going to talk about new All for One Shigaraki, how he gets all for one quirk. So before we start, please subscribe the channel and press notification bell for the latest update. We all know in next season Deku will get big power boost as others too, but Shigaraki will get the scariest boosts. For reminder, there gonna be big manga spoilers, so proceed on your own risk. In chapter 270, when all big hero trashes the deepest layer of the lab in the hospital, they found that Mirko was heavily wounded. So Endeavor started treating her, but Mirko seemed to seize the capsule in which Shigaraki was treated. So she knows that he is not small time thug anymore. His elimination is very important, so she told Endeavor to get him. At the same time, Crust also tell others that the capsule of Shigaraki is in the back of the lab. So Crust and Eraser decide to stop Nomus and make way for Mike and X-Lace so they can capture Dr. Kyudai and deal with Shigaraki in capsule. When Mike enters the room and saw capsule, he created a big strong sound wave to shatter the capsule. At the same time, Doctor also tries to wake up Shigaraki. When glass shatters and Shigaraki collapses on the ground, Mike and X-Lace confirms that Shigaraki's pulses is not running and he's dead. Then Mike took Doctor to give him to authorities. Doctor tells Mike that for years people made fun of him. They made fun of his studies, but All for One gave him what he needed. After that, we saw Big Hand emerging from the city. All the rubble is floating in the air, and on one of those floating boulders, Shigaraki was standing, staring at the floating rubble. He saw his sister apologizing to him, his mother asking him about is he want to be a hero. Then he saw his dad scolding him for entering his study without asking. But without any hesitation, small Shigaraki destroys everything and turns towards All for One. By destroying all the remaining ties with his past and family, Shigaraki took one big step towards becoming true villain. That time, Doctor also tells Mike about his quirk, which gives him twice the vitality of others. It's called preservation. He tells that he devoted his quirk to Shigaraki, and quirk he has is not original, it's just a replica of the original. He also mentions that All for One has the feeling that he will get defeated, so he also passed his quirk to his successor, and the quirk which All for One has is also a replica of the original. He reveals that both his and All for One's quirk is passed down to Tomura Shigaraki. Then we saw Deku getting bad feeling about something dangerous is coming, and exactly after that we saw body of Shigaraki starting to act weirdly. So this new turn of event where Shigaraki gets the All for One quirk will lead the world of My Hero Academia to new era of war, in which new generation will clash and it will become the war of successors. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video and start the notification bell for new and exciting content like this. Thank you.